This is Josh. I'm going to show you how I create consistent characters without face swapping, character sheets, image references, seeds, or split screens. It's an incredibly easy method, and you can place your characters in any situation you wish. Before I show you, let's see what's possible. You can do all of the following and more. Change hair color, eye color, change moods, or try different occupations. Hold on, let's start at the beginning. You can use Midjourney inside of Discord, just by typing a prompt here. But first, you need to check your settings. You can find them in direct messages by typing /settings. In Settings, click on the Remix mode. It will allow you to change your prompts when you make modifications. The other way to use Midjourney is on the website if you have access. Remix mode is automatic, so you don't have to do anything. I'll use the website for the rest of the tutorial. Here's the structure of the prompt that I used to create 3 different poses. The prompts in bold will create 3 different images on a white background in landscape format, using version 6. The prompts in square brackets are all optional. Here's an example. I named her Jessica to make it easier to find this prompt again in Midjourney. You can use as much or as little detail as you like. Here's the result. Click the hamburger menu at the top to check the settings. Set it to landscape 16 by 9. You can keep the rest of the settings and change the version to Niji 6 if you want to produce anime or cartoon type characters. Go down to More and click on Vary Region. Draw over the 2 images on the right. In the prompt box, make changes to add or remove parts of your prompt. In this case, we're going to add a green hat and light blue sunglasses. Here's the result. There are always 4 quadrants, made up of 4 different variations. Each quadrant should have internal consistency so we can continue to modify those images. Let's click on the 4th image. Click on the Vary button again. Draw over the image on the left and make sure you slightly overlap the image on the right. Adjust the prompt so it just says blank white background and click the Submit button. Next, use the Pan Down button to extend the image. Here's the result. Let's change her hair color now. Click on the Vary button and select the first 2 images. Change the hair color to blonde. Here are some of the resulting images. Edit the prompt so it just says blank white background. Here's the result. You can make any change you like, and it should keep the character fairly consistent, but it may drift away from the original character, so return to the initial prompt if you need to. Here are some further variations with the prompts I used. I'll also put them in the description below. Remember that you first need to click on the Vary button of your initial prompt, select the images you want to paint over, and then make the changes to your prompt. You can then use descriptions like I've used. I recommend using ChatGPT to help you, especially when you want to describe emotions. You can also paint over the original image when you've finished and zoom out, pan or change aspect ratio. If you want to see some more examples of what's possible, then check out my article on Medium that I'll link to in the description below. The only limit is your imagination. This is just a brief introduction to the ways you can use this Vary technique. It's not just photorealistic images that you can use it on either. It works really well with Niji, the anime and cartoon model. Midjourney will soon roll out a new character consistency solution which is expected to allow creators to change colors and backgrounds whilst keeping the character consistent. Hopefully, it will make the task of creating consistent characters a lot easier. In the meantime, have fun with this method which you can use right away. If you found this useful, then please like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you content like this.